So I'm a huge perfume junkie. My perfume collection is growing rapidly. I have found some really great scents lately that I'm just adoring. I used to wear perfume every now and then, but now I don't go a day without it. I have found so many great perfumes over the past year or two that I'm wearing perfume every single day. Now, it takes a lot for me to really fall in love with a perfume. I basically usually smell it on somebody else and really like it, find out what the perfume is, go to the store, try a little on, and live in it. So I will wear it for the day, and if it doesn't bug me, then usually I'll go back and buy it. But as we all know, perfumes are getting so expensive. There are so many niche perfumes these days, and they are expensive. When I went to London last year, I fell in love with Lipstick Rose by Frederic Malle. That cost, with the exchange rate, almost $300, and that's insane to me. So I was interested in trying, frankly, a perfume subscription service. There are some perfumes that I would love to own, but you can't buy them all, especially when they're like $200, $300 a bottle. There's a bunch out there, but I really like Scentbird. So Scentbird's pretty awesome. You pay $14.95 a month, and you get to choose whatever fragrance you want to try, and it comes in one of these travel size bottles, and one of these is a 1-month supply. So, full disclosure, Scentbird reached out to me and sent me 4 perfumes of my choice, and they are fabulous, and 2 of which I really, really wanted to own, but they were quite expensive, so this was a really nice, affordable way to try them. And the other 2 are niche fragrances that they thought I would like. So yeah, you pay your $14.95 a month, you pick out your perfume, they send it to you in this handy little spray bottle, and it's a 1-month supply. Every month you get to choose a new perfume, and I think it's a really cost-effective and frankly innovative way to try perfumes. So what are the 4 that I got? So right here, so this is Stella by Stella McCartney, and this is Molinard Violette. This is one I've always wanted to try. I love violet perfumes, they're my favorite. And this one is Tom Ford's Black Orchid, and this one is Montal Oud Forest. Oud Forest, I hope I'm saying that right. So let me give you a little rundown of each perfume. Oh, let me show you how it works. So right here we have Molinard's Violette perfume, and all you do is just twist it. So there's a little spray hole, I guess, and you just press on the top to spray the perfume on. And the perfumes are not labeled on the outside of the container, so if you've ordered more than one, just pull out the top and see how that works. So it's basically a huge vial, and this is the spraying mechanism, and then you just pop it back in, and when you're done with it, you twist it down, and boom. So a little bit about the perfumes I got. Oh, and FYI, each of the perfumes come in this little velvet bag. It's really handy. Really beautiful presentation, Scentbird. Way to go. I love them. Scentbird's out of New York too, so fancy. So a little bit about the 4 perfumes I got, what they smell like. This Molinard Violette is a French perfume. It's unisex, so it's great for both men and women. Frankly, I think it smells very feminine. I don't think this is really a male perfume. It's light and pretty. I love everything about it. The top notes are lemon, violet, and bergamot, so it's quite fresh. And you can definitely smell rose and peach and a little musk in it. It's lovely. And yeah, it just reminds me of a light, beautiful summer day. That's why I love violet perfumes. So this pink one here is Stella by Stella McCartney. I've always wanted to try this perfume. It's hugely popular. It's your standard Stella McCartney perfume. It's a very rosy fragrance, but it's a rosy, beautiful scent. And there's also notes of tangerine and peony, and I guess amber or musk in it. It's lovely. I think this one is really sexy. I would wear this for a night out. I'd wear this all the time, frankly, but it's definitely a sexy perfume. It's sexier than the Malinar Violette. And yeah, a lot of women wear this. It's really, really popular ever since it was released. So I'm happy I got this. I'll probably end up getting the full-size bottle because I really do love this perfume. Next up is Tom Ford's Black Orchid. This is super sexy. This is like, to me, it smells sort of like a men's fragrance, and I love men's cologne. I think a good men's cologne on a hot guy is so sexy. I've always wanted Black Orchid, but Tom Ford's perfumes are notoriously expensive. I could never really pull the trigger on it. Black Orchid also is, to me, a going out perfume. This isn't necessarily something that I would wear to the office. It's heavy and musky and sexy and yeah, maybe a little bit much for the day job. So I had to look up this perfume, what it smells like, because I can smell notes of patchouli in this and oud, but I wasn't quite sure if it, like, it's quite complex. So yeah, I looked it up, and there's also notes of amber, vetiver, patchouli, and sandalwood, and get this, dark chocolate. Now that I'm smelling it all the time, you can definitely smell that dark chocolate in it. I love this. Again, I think I love this perfume so much I'm going to go out and buy it. I think I'd probably get a lot of wear out of it, wearing it to events and out with my girlfriends or out to dinner with my husband. This is sex in a bottle. I love this. Oof. So I have to admit, Montal's Oud Force is probably my least favorite of the four. It's still quite nice. To me, this smells like a men's cologne. I love men's colognes. I wear them all the time. One of my favorites being Tom Ford's Grey Vetiver. But this just smells a little too manly for my taste. It's very fresh and very green. It smells like the beach. It smells like the ocean. Again, I'm not familiar with Montal. It's apparently quite a well-known French brand. And I looked it up. It has notes of lemon, seawater, vetiver, grapefruit, rosemary, rose, and ginger. I think those who like really fresh, sort of fruity aromas would like this. It's a sophisticated perfume. It's really, really nice. I just don't think it's very me. So yeah, I'll probably give it a try, give it a whirl, because you know, more often than not, some perfumes that I didn't like in the beginning really grow on me. So yeah, I'll give it a whirl. I won't neglect it. So I think if you guys are interested in trying out new perfumes, this is a great way to do so without breaking the bank. And what I love most about Scentbird is they have over 400 different fragrances. They have a huge inventory. A lot of the perfumes are top-notch, designer, what you would find in department stores or at Sephora. You name it, if you're looking for it, they probably have it. They also carry lip balms, hand creams. It's pretty amazing. I'm really, really liking this service. And again, it's a great way to either try out perfumes without committing to spending a huge dollar amount, or if you don't like to buy perfumes because you're never going to use the whole bottle, this service is for you. I really, really like it. So check them out online at scentbird.com. They ship throughout North America. And yeah, I'm really loving it. It gets the big thumbs up from me. So I'll be profiling Scentbird on my blog and on Instagram. So feel free to check me out on Instagram at dominique.baker and check out my blog, styledomination.com. I would love that. If you like this video, please give me the big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. It means a lot. And if you've tried Scentbird, let me know in the comments what you think. And yeah, leave me any questions, comments, DMs. You guys know the rundown. So I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.